Hey, y'all. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. PT.
What the crap are you doing?
I was waiting on you.
You
weren't
started
here.
without me.
I know. We got a mail call.
We got a mail call. This mail call is a Canadian gift. It's got Canadian cooking stuff in it from Tony Patty. That's right.
Yeah.
Tell them who you are.
I'm Lone Star Rider, and you can find me at Lone Star Rider TV. I've been riding around the country for the last over 2 years, raising awareness and money for the cure to diabetes in memory of my son. Y'all go check it out. Yeah. Papa
We're gonna get set up right here, and we're gonna do some fun, entertaining box opening.
I've never done a mail call with him.
You sure?
No, I'm positive. So, we're opening a package here from, who's this?
Tony Patty
Tony Patty.
from Canada. He does not make videos, but he watches them on his tablet.
Hey?
Hey,
Hey?
that's way Yankee, ain't it? It's above Yankee Land.
I think that's above Yankee Land. Oh my God. Wait a minute, wait. I'm just going to take this with me. I already saw the top.
Billy's gonna be jealous of this one because he's done it with me. Papa, Texas. Hey Papa, here's some Canadian goodies to try out. Enjoy, my friend, Tony.
Hey?
Eh?
He didn't actually put that there.
Whew!
Ooh, that's like a book.
I got me a book to read.
That's a book.
I will read it. I will read it. If I need to tell y'all about it, I'll turn the camera back on and tell y'all about it. All right, what are we gonna start off with? Dried apple rings.
Yeah, dried
That's
apple.
cool.
Yeah, it is. So is that the same thing as dehydrated apple?
Yeah, I think so.
They just say it different up there?
Apples and lemon juice. No, some people call it dried apples.
Oh, okay.
So I'm just gonna show these items, and then we're gonna pan across the table and show you them all. And this one here is Lay's ketchup potatoes.
I never even heard of anything like that.
I think it got sucked all the air out of it.
Yeah, it's kind of like,
Now we're not doing the taste test. That's gonna be me and Maddie.
oh, damn. This box might disappear.
We got some coffee crisp. Like I said, I will show you another coffee crisp. Now see, where do they say they're made from? He's saying they're from Canada.
Well, I don't think that's from Canada.
TastyRewards.ca.
I guess it is. I've never seen
Frito-Lay Canada.
I never seen ketchup chips.
Neither have I. Ooh! You know what?
Ooh, that's nice.
Check that out. He gave me a buck knife. Check this out. I use a buck knife in my EDC.
Not me. I use a.
Thank you.
What are they called? I use a cheap throwdown.
Rock.
Oh, this is a $20 knife I had with me for like, I don't know, 20 years.
Wow.
Emerson, that's it. And it's a good knife.
There you go.
Emerson. And yeah, this is a nice book. It's a folder too. Awesome.
So we got some Smarties candy. Again, we're going to scan all this stuff so you see it. Oh, we got some wrapped up things now.
Oh, that's some seasoning.
La Grille, Montreal Chicken, Poulet de Montreal, Clubhouse.
It looks like
McCormick, Canada. That is awesome. Awesome.
So is this knife from Canada?
Well, that's interesting.
No, it's made in China.
Purchased in Canada.
This is an Oriental knife.
All right. McCormick, Canada. Le Grill, Clubhouse, Montreal Steak Spice. A PC's Biftec de Montreal. I thank you very much, Tony. These are awesome. Oh, this looks like honey. It's either honey or whiskey.
It's whiskey. It's gone.
Mixing with that Bill Gowdy wine.
Yeah, that was good stuff. No, that looks like maple syrup, isn't it?
Sweet Ontario pure maple syrup.
Awesome.
Sugar Valley Maple. Joe and Brenda Steed, Ontario.
You know, I've heard about these guys.
Products of Canada.
Yeah, I saw this on TV. They have also have a restaurant with that area.
Really?
Yeah.
Amber
I
Rich
could be
taste.
wrong. But I think that's the same people.
That is awesome. Feel the weight of that.
Oh, right here.
This is really exciting.
Awesome stuff here.
You know what I'll do? I'm gonna when Tony leaves me a comment, I'm gonna pin it to the top, and y'all go there and tell him how awesome he was for sending this to Papa Texas. House-made medium heat tomato salsa, Nickelin Farms, out of.
I didn't think anybody but people in Texas could make good salsa.
Phelpstown, Ontario.
I'm pretty sure about that, by the way.
We're gonna find out. Well, you also got to remember, wherever you go, people have different kind of barbecue.
Oh yeah, I know that. They can't
Was it
make.
South Carolina? What do they
Yeah.
have? They put a lot of.
Well, they got honey in this one.
There you go.
Huh.
Sweet ginger barbecue sauce. All gingembre. I guess it's French that they're the second word, right? Because don't they speak French?
We
Like booger?
I don't know.
Alphonsus Gourmet, Ajax, Ontario.
Isn't it like the east part of Canada? They speak a lot of French, and the west they don't, or vice versa. I don't know. Something like that.
I don't know. I didn't know much about Canada until YouTube.
Well, I got a few friends up there. Steve and the Bobcat guy.
Yep. Spongy.
Spongy, yeah.
All right, so we're gonna say goodbye, and then you're gonna see this scanned. And Tony, I really do appreciate you. It was awesome. It was awesome of Rex to stop by the house today and be on video.
Link will be down in the description for my channel.
Yes, it will.
Yeah.
And you know what? I'll see. I'm watching TV. I'm over there. Oh, I'm watching TV.
Oh, by the way,
Oh.
ring that bell too.
Rex's channel will be right there. Go check out Rex's channel and follow his travels.
Yes, I'm
All
traveling a lot.
Yeah.
Except for-
and go check out his new trailer that he just built over the last 3 months.
Yeah.
It's sitting out in the driveway. Yeah. All right. Thank y'all. We're going to do a scan, and we will see y'all on the next one.
Catch y'all on the road.
See ya. There we go. Check it out. Dried apple rings, and there's the ketchup lays, the buck knife, some Smarties, coffee crisp, sweet ginger, and the maple honey. Medium heat tomato salsa, and the 2 spices. Yeah. Thank you, Tony.
Catch y'all on the road.
See ya.
So is it recording? Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. 1, 2, 3.
Am I in the camera?
No, you're not in the camera. So we ready?
Yeah.
Hey y'all, it's Papa Texas. PT.
It's Papa Texas.
Papa Texas. Hey y'all, it's Papa Texas. PT.
What the crap
Pretty-
are you doing?
I was waiting on you.
You
weren't